Next would be continuing education. Lagi rin tinatanong sa akin to, tapos hindi ko rin alam yung sagot. Ano ba nilalagay dyan?
Meron member who's kind enough to share. Talagang nagtanong siya sa CGFNS. Ano ba, kasi ang parang iniisip nila, continuing education, is it yung kung nag-masteral ka? Or is it yung mga CPD units na tinitake mo, yung mga certificate, yung mga trainings, ganyan.
Oo.
So, nag-reply yung CGFNS sa kanya, sinabi, anything na you earn a degree or a diploma, you put it in the education history. So, for the master's, education history siya. So, si continuing education, dyan nag-fall yung mga CPD, yung mga certificates, or yung siguro yung mga, iba yung mga trainings, ganyan. So, I think, dyan siya nilalagay. Ako, I personally did not put anything in there.
Yeah.
Kasi, naisip ko baka ma-hassle. Tapos, knowing nursing New Zealand naman. Knowing New Zealand, yes. Di ba parang up to date naman, lagi may study days, ganyan. So, hindi ko naman sasabing it won't matter to them. Pero parang feeling ko parang siguro save ko na lang yun sa CV.
Totoo,
Ganon.
tama.
Yes,
I think
diba?
with the other applicants that I've heard as well, even yung mga nagko-complete ng masters nila, hindi rin nila nilagay sa education history because they felt like it's gonna be a hassle with the application.
Totoo.
And yun nga, as long as you meet, I think, the minimum requirements for nursing council registration, I think that's enough anyway. That's just my point of view anyway. And then marami din akong nakausap na they left this section blank and then okay naman yung naging application nila. Siyempre, hindi din alam if there's gonna be changes in the future, but at the moment, it's parang okay naman.
Oh, yes. Living proof, ako, I did not put anything in there.
Alright, next one is certification. Ano tong? Professional certification. Ano na naman to?
Parang ito yung halimbawa, specialty certificates mo. Parang halimbawa, isa kang diabetes nurse.
Oo.
So parang dito ata ilalagay mo yung certificate mo na certified ka dun sa specific specialty na yun, if I'm not mistaken.
Siguro multiple sclerosis nurse specialist ka ganyan and meron kang special license, you can definitely upload here. But again, if you don't have that specialty, it's totally fine, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, leave it.
I left it blank. Walang problema.
And then additional documentation, anong nilalagay dito?
Ako parang wala ata ako nilagay
Wala ka na
dito.
nilagay dito. Okay, cool.
Kasi parang nasama ko na yung sa dito, marriage certificate ko, sinama ko na sa identity.
Sa taas na, yeah. Naka-group na
O
siya.
parang, siguro kung meron ka pang gusto mong ilagay pa na feeling mo hindi na satisfied dun sa 13 tabs na yan. Ayan, siguro dyan mo na lang ilagay.
And then finally, we have the profession information. Ito ba, automated to dahil kinlik mo na siya kanina?
Actually, yun yung kanina ginawa natin. Kung i-move nila, ayan, mag-move dun sa selected option siya.
And then click submit.
Yes.
I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. As always, I wish you all the best with your journey and I hope you will be blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye!